Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. The St. Thomas police are probing what is suspected to be a murder-suicide in the parish on Good Friday. That is 47-year-old Lorraine Hutchinson of Citron Valley, Middleton in the area. Also deceased is Hutchinson's ex-boyfriend, who is suspected to have killed her before taking his own life. Detectives assigned to the Clarendon Police Division are probing the circumstances surrounding the shooting death of a senior citizen by unknown assailants in Barnes Pass yesterday. That is 73-year-old Hanover Kent, otherwise called Mitz, a farmer of Barnes Pass, Frankfield in the parish. Reports from the Maypen police are that about 9:30 p.m., Kent was at home with a relative when gunmen posing as police personnel called him outside his house and shot him several times. The police were alerted and he was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. We now move to, on the brighter side. The University Hospital of the West Indies has received more than $1 million towards the purchase of a high-flow oxygen system that will assist it with meeting increased patient demand. The funds were donated by the Jamaica National Group, Jamaica Money Market Brokers, Carlung Publishers, and ARC Manufacturing. The donation comes as Jamaica's hospitals grapple with an increased demand for oxygen, due significantly to the high number of persons seeking treatment for COVID-19 in health facilities. In response to the donation, Dr. Carl Bruce, medical chief of staff of the OE, expressed thanks on behalf of the hospital and commended the companies, noting that the gift will help to save lives. Up to Thursday, April 1st, there were 426 persons in hospital due to COVID-19, with 39 being moderately ill and 52 critical.